the gardener, and you'll never guess where I am. I'm in my new Geodesic Biodome. Oh my goodness, it is so cool. When we first moved here, I had the intention of putting in a greenhouse, slightly larger than the one I had before, but just a standard off-the-shelf greenhouse. And then we had a storm. Oh my goodness me, it was the storm of all storms. We had winds of 212 km/h winds that just passed through. Oh my gosh. The house was actually still up on jacks. It hadn't even been lifted down onto its foundations. And the jacks were about this square. And oh, it was so scary. It was a really scary storm. The house movers thought that they would come back the next morning and see the house broken in pieces on the ground. But it stood still, and it is a good, strong, solid house, which is really cool. But I thought about my greenhouse, and I'm like, 212 km/h gusts, probably not gonna work. The one I was looking at did say it was rated up to 150, but I just didn't really want to take the risk. So I thought outside the box, and I saw on the internet these beautiful wooden biodomes, and I just had to have one. So I said to my builder, can you make me one of these? And he's like, he's used to me now. When I ask him to do crazy things, he'll just do it. It's quite funny. Anyway, so he went off and he built this beautiful structure. It's made out of macrocarpal wood, and it is amazingly beautiful. And then we thought about the glass, and we thought about the glass after. It's probably just as well we thought about the glass after, because I got a quote from a local guy, $15,000. No, I'm not going to pay $15,000 for it. This dome has become a little bit like a Nigerian scam. I'm too committed now to stop. I don't record how much it's costing anymore. I started out very diligently writing down how many screws and how many everything. But no, I don't do that anymore because I don't want to know. I just pay the bills like this, type it into the computer. So I have no idea how much this cost, which I suppose at the end of the day is a good thing, because yeah, let's just leave it at that. But I have found some glass to come, but it's coming all the way from China on a slow boat. So we're going to be a while without glass, and that's okay. I'm okay with that because the price is a lot better than 15,000. A lot better. Still quite high, but better. So, but it's spring now. I mean, it's daylight saving starts on Sunday, and or between Saturday and Sunday. And I have seedlings up the wazoo, and they were all inside on the windowsill, on the bay window. But when I had to, that was okay when I was in the seed raising mix, but once you get from seed raising mix to transplanting into individual pots, there wasn't enough room. And the good people at Yates were so generous and got me some pallet wrap. And so what we did is we wrapped it in pallet wrap, and that was interesting. Yeah, I just like supervised. I wasn't very helpful. But they seem to know what they're doing. They've covered it well enough. I do worry about the fact that I've used so much plastic, but I think I'm going to try and yeah, I've got an idea about what I might do with it when I've finished, when the glass comes. But what it does mean is I can actually use the greenhouse, which is fabulous. So I had a temperature gauge in here just recently, and this afternoon it's actually 6 degrees warmer in here than it is outside, so it's working, and it keeps all the creatures out, so yay. But and the cool thing as well is the garden is just coming along brilliantly. The chickens have actually been put in their own chicken coop, so now I can actually plant things without worrying about them scratching things up. So it's full steam ahead. Oh my gosh. So what we've done is my trusty old time-lapse camera has been filming, and so sit back and watch the building of the dome and putting the concrete down on the floor and wrapping the plastic. I haven't actually seen that one myself yet, so that should be interesting. So that's pretty crazy. Oh my gosh. I have a very dedicated builder. He's amazing. And a wonderful hubby, the young gardener, who turns a blind eye to the budget just as well. Oh my gosh. So yeah, exciting times. Summer is coming. Yay. I can't wait. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.